In this video, I will quickly show you how to collaborate on a GitHub project and work with other people. First, go to GitHub and sign in to your account. Next, open the repository you want to collaborate on. If you are the project owner, go to the Settings tab, then Manage Access or Collaborators, and click Add Collaborator to invite others. If you were invited, simply accept the invitation to gain access to the project. Now, click the Code button and copy the repository link. Open the terminal on your computer and use the git clone command, followed by the link to download the project. After that, open the project in your code editor and make the necessary changes. When finished, use git add, then git commit message, and finally git push to upload the changes. You can also create a pull request to review changes before merging them into the main project. Collaborating on GitHub makes teamwork easier and keeps projects organized. And that's it. Now you know how to collaborate on a GitHub project easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.